It's hard to believe, but Excel has been powering productivity for 4 decades. From humble beginnings to becoming the backbone of business analytics, financial modeling, and everyday problem-solving, Excel has truly transformed the way we work. To mark this milestone, the team at Olas is raising a virtual toast to the spreadsheet superstar and sharing some of the game-changing features that have revolutionized accuracy, efficiency, and innovation across industries. Think dynamic arrays, Power Query, real-time collaboration, and automation tools that have taken our workflows from manual to magical. Whether you're a formula fanatic or a pivot table pro, this celebration is for you. Let's honor the tool that's helped us crunch numbers, spot trends, and make smarter decisions one cell at a time. Stay tuned as we highlight the Excel features that changed the game. Let the celebration begin. Chaos to clarity, data validation. Once upon a spreadsheet, data entry was a wild frontier. Manual typing ruled the land, and errors lurked in every cell. Typos, mismatched formats, and rogue inputs made accuracy a daily battle. But then came Excel's game-changing heroes: drop-down lists, date and numeric validation, input messages, and error alerts, tools that brought order, precision, and sanity to our workbooks. Fast forward to 2025, and we're operating on a whole new level. Today's Excel empowers us with dynamic arrays, conditional logic, and formula-driven rules that respond in real time. No more static constraints, just intelligent, adaptive validation that evolves with your data. It's not just validation anymore, it's automation, intelligence, and control. And it's transforming how we work, one formula at a time. Timelines plus pivot tables equals real-time insight magic. Timelines in Excel dashboards aren't just a feature, they're a game-changer. When paired with pivot tables, they unlock dynamic filtering by days, months, quarters, or years, giving users the power to glide through time with a single click. No more tedious refiltering or tweaking formulas. Just drag the slider and watch your charts, KPIs, and data come to life, instantly updating to reflect the new time window. This level of interactivity makes it effortless to uncover trends, detect seasonal patterns, or spot anomalies at a glance. It's like giving your data a time machine and you're in the driver's seat. And now, the grand finale. Copilot in Excel has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules of what's possible. This isn't just an update, it's a leap into the future of data intelligence. Copilot brings a powerful layer of AI directly into your spreadsheets, turning complex tasks into simple conversations. Want to analyze trends, build formulas, or create stunning visuals? Just ask in plain English. Copilot understands your data, delivers context-rich summaries, and even suggests insights and recommendations you might have missed. No more wrestling with syntax or spending hours on repetitive tasks. Copilot streamlines your workflow, boosts accuracy, and unlocks strategic decision-making like never before. Excel just got a whole lot smarter, and it's just the beginning.